Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very cheap sim racing setup. So Mrs. bought me this Logitech G920 wheel and pedal setup for the Xbox One for like Forza 7, Forza Horizon 3 and then Forza Horizon 4 is coming out very shortly. So she got me that, so did a bit of research and you can just gonna make one myself. So this morning I picked up a BA or BF XT seat, gave it a really good scrub up because it was very dirty, had shit all over it. So I got that into position. Gonna have to, because the mounts aren't properly flat, I'm gonna have to just get a little bit creative with the front one, but just getting everything aligned up. And next I'm going to make sure that the pedals fit in, but got some 90 by 30 lengths of wood. Just got me saw vise, another one, and then this is going to be the top. Pretty sure it was 1200 long by I think it was 500 or 600 and something, or 565, and 16 mil thick. And yeah, I already used some. I made my ramps wider. Beautiful. Yeah. So now they fit the whole tyre, just in case there's any chance of coming off the side. But anyway, so got this bad boy, and we're going to make a little racing simulator. Let's do it. Right, so the seat's in position where it's going to be. I've got the pedals out, sat down, and went and sat in one of my cars and worked out that's going to be a sweet spot there. Just got to probably going to mount the seat first. No, I can, worst case I can bring the pedals forward just by putting a piece of wood behind it, and so. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut a piece out that goes in here, so that the seat is nice and flat instead of leaning forwards like that. So I'll do. Righto, so here's what we're up to. We've got the end piece drying with some liquid nails. Just got it wedged together, and our two pieces to make the seat level, and the end is drying as well. So we'll let this dry and come back to it. Alright guys, here it is. It is done. This is our budget Bunnings racing sim with our BA or BF XT seat. Got a Logitech 920 happening. I've got to put the pedals on, but so it's pretty simple, eh? There's a lot of screws in it, but it all comes apart pretty simply. And then I just made up a couple of bits of wood. One fits in there, which I screwed there. So inverted the pedals, so it's so much better feeling than the other way. Just jump in and then it's just like a car. Brake, and I switch these around because I won't be using the clutch. I won't be using the clutch pedal. Probably not, maybe, but not a lot. I'm going to set it to like 2 or 3%, and then probably 10%. So all I have to do is that, with the dead zones in and out. So in will be about 3 or 4%, and then out will be probably 15. So I'll swap them around. I changed this is now the clutch pedal, which has a real nice brake feel to it. It's not as hard. This one's just, once you get to a certain point, it's just stupid hard. So that'll be just a bam, bam. And now the brake pedal, well, it was the clutch pedal, now it's the brake pedal, and it's just nice and firm all the way down. And then the accelerator pedal's just nice. Beautiful. So just screwed them in, marked everything, got some bolts from Bunnings, and then this is a 16mm board, and then you've got your 90 by 30 pine, and then yeah, a little bit there to get the seat up, and then the other one's flat, so just goes on the ground. Got some liquid nails in there too, just for extra, but it's pretty. It does move a little bit, but it's pretty solid. So yeah, let's go over the costs. I don't have any receipts here. I don't know where they are, but so the wood, all the wood was, so the wood and the nails was $65 with the liquid nails. Seat was $50, and then obviously I got that as a present, so that's not included, but it was, I don't know, 300 and something at the moment from JB Hi-Fi, I think it is. And yeah, then I got some washers, and then the bolts. The bolts are M6 by 50mm, and they only just come out a little bit through there. M6 by 50 with washers, and then those ones there, they're 14G by 75. So yeah, for $125 roughly, we've got our sim from Bunnings. Make sure you grab a snag while you're there. It's un-Australian if you don't, so make sure you grab a snag from Bunnings. But there we go. So let's yeah, go set it up in the room and get some action. Well, that was a mission, but yes, we are on. We have our seat, we have our budget Bunnings sim setup, got our Logitech, got Xbox One, all our powers, and probably one of the heaviest TVs in the world, I think. But anyway, I've got it up there sorted. Got our Xbox. Let's have a seat. Oh yes, look at the pedals. No more hand control of one hand. That was not fun. Righto, Forza Motorsport 7. Ta-da! Need a bit of volume by the sound of it. I think just at first glance, I think this, I think the TV might be too big. But anyway, we're going to take the Centenario around Magello and see how we go. I have no idea how I'm going to film this, but having good old one wing. Look at that. Righto, let's see if I can hold it and steer. We're on auto because yeah, can't do manual. But let's see how this goes, shall we? Wow, yeah, it's very strong. Jesus. I did turn ABS off, so that's... Oh, the force feedback's crazy. It's a little bit too much. I'm gonna have to go, yeah, sort these settings out like I've seen on YouTube. But anyway, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'm going to play with the settings and have a great time with my new setup. So yeah, go for gold. Drop a like, subscribe if you liked any of this, and yeah, hopefully see you on the next one. Catch you later.